In this video, learn how to create animation from one image PNG. How to use Slice tool to do it. How to create an animation from sliced images. And how to create animation from different multi-image. How to use Animator Controller to run all player animations. Let's create our player from Package Pixel Adventure 2. There are a lot of characters here. You can pick any character you like for your player. I will choose this one. Open it. There are many images with different animations for this character. In each image, they have prepared and sliced it into multi-images, for you can create player animation right away. Now I will show you how to prepare one image into multi-image like this. Actually, it is just a PNG image. You can use Photoshop, Illustrator, GIMP, Sprite to draw this. Let's see how to make this one into smaller images in Unity. You can use your own character if you have one. You can download these images free under video. In Unity, create new folder, name it character. Open it, and import your own character image into. Right now this one is just a single normal image. You can see the image information right here. First, we need to set it as a sprite 2D and UI. Pivot is the origin position of character. All characters' origin position should be at its feet. Change pivot to bottom. For a better graphic, I will use original image with no compression. Then click apply. Right now, this image is still a single image. To be able to convert it into smaller images, you need to change its mode to multiple. Then select Sprite Editor to edit image. We will cut it into 9 smaller images, for 9 characters inside this image. Let's use a tool with name Slice to do that. Choose Mode Grid by Cell Count. We will divide it by column and row. This image has only 1 row, and 9 characters for 9 columns. As I mentioned, all character pivot should be at its feet. Set it bottom, then click Slice to finish. Now you can select each small images, because you sliced it already. Pivot, or origin position is at this green circle. All origin position of these images will be at bottom. Select Apply for the final result. As you see, it is converted into multi-image. You know how to use a Slice tool now. To create a 2D animation, select all images of that animation. Hold and drop them into hierarchy. Name this Character Idle, then click Save. You will receive an animation player idle. It will create an animation controller automatically too. Just delete it now. I will explain it for you later. By the way, you will receive an object from your character image. Rename it Player. And scale its size bigger. You can see the character is very blurry. To improve it, select Origin Image. Change filter mode to pointer no filter. It was a lot better and clear now. Press play to see if it works. Nothing happened. The reason is, on Animator of Object Player, it needs an Animator Controller to run animations. Right-click to create an Animator Controller. Name it Player Animator Controller. Double-click to open it. Hold and drop Animation Player Idle into. Whenever the game is run, it will play Animation Player Idle automatically. After you have Animator Controller, add Animator Controller into. You can see our player can move now. Or you can hold and drop Animator Controller directly into. You already knew how to use Slice tool to cut one image into multi-image, and how to create an animation with these images. Or you can right-click, select animation for new animation from these images. I don't want to use Slice tool anymore, and I have 16 different images for animation player walk. Create new folder, name it player walk. Then import all of your images into. Now select all of them. Set them as Sprite 2D and UI. Each image will be a single image. Character pivot always at bottom. Set to point no filter, for image quality have no blur. And no compression for better graphic as well. Apply. Now select all images. Drop them into hierarchy to create animation. Name it player walk. Animation player walk is created. And it will create another Animator Controller automatically. Just delete, we don't need it. Additional, it will create another object for your animation too. We don't need it, delete it also. We already have animation player walk, open player Animator Controller. Then add animation player walk into. Let's set player walk as the default animation to play. Press play to see the result. Animation walk worked well. You already know how to create any player animation. Now try to make your own character with animations. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.